Hi, and welcome back to the BMW i3 DIY channel. So due to popular demand, I put together a part 3 and a part 4 of the hidden features, secret features for the BMW i3. Hopefully you'll enjoy. Please like and subscribe if it's something that you'd like to see more of. So if your car has come to a stop and you've turned it off, you should have the P indicated on the shift mechanism. The screen will show something like this. But let's say I want to put it into neutral. It's right now turning the shift knob back and forth will not allow it to move out of park. So what you can do is you put your foot on the brake and then pull back one slot to put it into the neutral position. Hold down the start button, count for about 2 seconds, release it, then pull it back again, and it will go into neutral, and then you can turn the car off. And now, car is off, you're in neutral. It's actually a good idea to put the emergency brake on, which I didn't do. You'll have this error screen, which is basically saying the vehicle is capable of rolling at this point, so it's not in park. That would allow you to open the door, you'd get out and roll the car around if you needed to push it out of the way if there's an emergency situation. To get out of that, just push it back into park again, and you are done. Actually, I think turn it back off again. But basically it's in park at that point. Here's a few items that was shared with me by some viewers that I thought I'd share it with you. Underneath of the visor, there's actually a clip on both sides of the car, driver and passenger side, for parking receipts, any other items you might need immediate access to. You probably already know that there's a lighted visor. This device is the microphone. There's one on both the driver and passenger side for using with the phones when you have it attached to your car. I think most people are aware of the handle. That's pretty obvious. But what's not so obvious was in the back area. If you rotate this guy, you can actually have hanger for clothes or other apparel that's available. So it's kind of hidden unless you know it's there or looking for it. Here's another interesting piece of information that some people don't know, and I didn't really know until just recently. So if it's in drive and you're on a hill pointing uphill, you might have experienced that the car will not roll backwards even if you take your foot off the brake. However, what's not quite as obvious is, for example, if I'm in neutral right now, the car is going to roll. But if I'm in reverse and I'm on a hill that's pointing down, it will actually hold the car from rolling forward until I hit the gas and go backwards. So it'll actually hold the car from rolling downhill if you're in reverse. It'll hold the car from going backwards if it's in drive. Most people are aware of this. It's been reviewed in a lot of other videos, but just real quickly, in case you're not aware of this, hidden behind the rear passenger door is a foam block, and if you pull it out, it's like this on the back side. There are two knobs that are connected to cords that open the fuel door for the electrical door for charging the car, and the other one is for releasing the lock mechanism on the charge handle in case it gets stuck. So again, if you weren't aware of it, that's where they are. Another secret latch is behind this guy. Just push on the little knob that pulls the plastic out, and underneath is a wire with a loop on it to pull to unlock the front hood in case it's stuck for some reason and electronically is not working. The final secret pull knob is this little green one here, and that opens up the Rex petrol fuel door if for some reason it's stuck and won't open if you have a Rex. Here's something that's simple, but if you don't know about it, it might be interesting. If the parking brake is on when we first engage the car, so we'll do that here, and we'll get ready to drive off. But if I put it into drive and the parking brake is on and I start moving, put my foot off the brake, start going forward, it says release parking brake. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Parking brake's on, car is off. Now if I put my foot on the brake and I start it up, everything is normal. I'm gonna put it into drive. So the question is, will the parking brake turn off with my seat belt? Now plugged in, and get my foot off the brake. I'm going to hit the accelerator, and the answer is yeah, it does automatically turn off the parking brake. So you have to have your seat belt on for it to work.